I'm Elliot, an international promoter for Rubi tools, and today I'm going to present to you Rubi's tile leveling system, the Rubi Cyclone. The Rubi Cyclone is composed of two different parts. You have the caps and the clips, and you need no other tools. For laying tiles with joints of different thicknesses, you have 4 different clips. You have the red clips, which are for joints of 3 millimeters. You have black clips for joints of 2 millimeters, white for 1.5 millimeters, and gray for 1 millimeter. The clips of 3 millimeters and 1.5 millimeters are also available as T's and as crosses. The system allows us to work with tiles with thicknesses between 3 and 18 millimeters. The caps have a wide support surface area and they're reusable, and you attach them very easily like this. You can get the clips in different sized bags of a single clip type, or you can get the kit, and in the kit you get 300 clips and 100 caps. Now we're going to see the system in action. Once the adhesive is dry, you need to remove the visible part of the system with impact. And you can do this either by hitting the cap with a mallet or by kicking it, always in the direction of the joint. And what this does is it breaks the clip, always like this, in the exact same spot every time, so that no plastic is sticking out through the joint. That's our video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our social media or on our website. And I'll see you at the next video.